Welcome to INR Auto. Get ready for the 2025 Honda Accord, a mid-size sedan that perfectly blends reliability, style, and the latest tech. While it stays close to its 2023 version, there are enough updates to keep things exciting and fresh. The Accord's roomy and sleek design remains one of its biggest highlights. The base LX trim comes packed with a 10.2-inch digital instrument display, a 7-inch touchscreen, comfy cloth seats, automatic climate control, and keyless entry. If you're looking for more luxury, the EX trim adds a sunroof, heated side mirrors, heated front seats, an 8-speaker sound system, and a 10-way power driver's seat. The 2025 Accord is expected to keep its reliable turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering 192 horsepower and 192 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with a smooth CVT that powers the front wheels. And, while some people might be hoping for all-wheel drive, it's probably not in the cards for this year. Honda also packs the Accord with top-notch safety features. Standard driver assistance systems include lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, automatic high beams, traffic sign recognition, and automatic emergency braking. The EX trim adds blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert, and there's a chance those might become standard for 2025. As for pricing, Honda hasn't spilled the details yet, but don't expect much of a jump from the current price tags. Right now, the LX starts around $28,990 and the EX around $31,005. The Accord Hybrid? That'll usually set you back an extra $5,000. Hitting dealerships this fall, the 2025 Honda Accord promises to continue delivering that perfect balance of reliability, efficiency, and modern features that drivers love. Keep your eyes peeled for more updates as the release date draws closer. You won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching INR Auto. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.